Hello. We are here at Aminal Kingdom. See the duckies? Where'd the duck go? There it is. Woo! Right on cue. We are going to go eat at Tiffin's for the first time ever today. Realize that excuse you. Realize we haven't been here in over a year. Last time we were here was June 2019. But we've never been to Tiffin's before, so I'm really excited. Also, I'm still getting used to this new tripod, so there's that. Ready to go?
Yep.
Welcome back, Jared.
I'm back.
Ooh.
This is the safari diary.
Ooh. Oh, ma'am, we're here. It's a sheepy kitty. And then the cheese. And I can see everything. So we got the bread service. We didn't get the yogurt because, or they didn't give it to us because of my allergy, but there's this oil dip. It's really yummy. Spicy hummus and then a jam. I'm not too keen on the jam. Do you like the jam?
It's fine.
And then we got these chips. It's like bread, and then this like flatbread, I don't know what to call it. But these two are my favorite. The chips have like an herb. It's just really weird. And then I got the strawberry Sprite. Do you remember what your drink is called?
Jin's Tattoo.
Jin's Tattoo, which is really good. Like, I like this drink. I'm surprised he got it. It's the sweetest one. And then I got the fish, and you got the shrimp and grits, which we'll film when they get there. It looks yummy. And then dun 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 dun. I love fish, but this, it's got a face. All right, you want to walk to, where do you want to go next?
Well, the confectionery is in Africa.
All right, let's go. So food was yummy. Didn't love 100% everything, but it was a special trip. I think it was good. I don't think I would go to Tiffin's again unless they changed the menu. I did enjoy my experience. I did enjoy having the fish because I probably would not have ordered the fish if I realized what it looked like. And the desserts.
She enjoyed gutting it like a cat.
I had a blast eating that thing. It was funny. We had a lot of laughs. But like if you said like, hey, do you want to go to Tiffin's next month or something like that, I would be like, nah. But I'm glad that we went. We used our 50% off, which I feel like that was a very good use of our 50% off. Now we gotta walk all this food off because I'm like so incredibly full. Jared wants sugar. He wants sugar sweets.
Sugar sweets!
Sugar sweets!
Atlantic Express, bound for Conservation Station, will be arriving at Atlantic Station in 1 minute.
Con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la...
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to...
To your right, you're going to see a bunch of people. These people are
Separate from the outside. But in fact, we're connected.
So from what it looks like is most of the Rafiki's Planet Watch has been turned into art and animation class, which is cool, and it does look like they actually have a Disney animator teaching the class, which is awesome. But I have to admit I kind of missed the other cool stuff that they had in there, because right now it's like pretty much just that and then a few exhibits. Just wanted to point that out. Jared, come back.
You can blame it all on me.
It started raining after we got off the train and it hasn't stopped. So I told Jared this will be the only ride we do, Flight of Passage, because I haven't done it in forever and who knows when I'll get to do it again.
Help, I'm here against my will.
He is here against his will.
Save me.
Although I gave you the option, we can go home now if you give me 2 cats. You promise. If you promise to give me 2 kitties, we'll go home now.
And others. Remember to wash your hands frequently throughout the visit, or use the sanitizer dispensing units provided. Thank you.
Jared, need some water? Some water?
No, it's okay. I might have COVID.
Mountain Banshee Project. Working to study and reverse habitat destruction caused by unregulated RDA operations in the valley of Morara. So basically, it's a conservation fund for banshees.
Oh, are we gonna draw a picture of them? Who would just leave all this stuff out when they're not there? What horrible scientists.
Must be a lazy nerd. Just leaving his stuff everywhere. Notes just laying on the ground.
They're probably off playing video games.
That scared me. I turned around and it was there.
It didn't just appear.
There's aminals. There's thingies in this. That's kind of creepy. Got a fellow vlogger over here.
Massive invasive species. Humans.
That's cool looking. Ah! I don't like things jumping out at me.
Princess, it's just magnets.
Charita! I'm gonna do something to you.
Stares at you.
That's pretty. Oh, it's cold in there. It's cold in there. That is very
Why is all
cool.
this light not being used? Instead, we're sitting outside.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away.